Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to sync video and audio automatically in CapCut for PC. Today, we'll explore some of the amazing features of CapCut and how to make your projects shine. Before we dive in, let's discuss the importance of syncing audio and video. Proper sync enhances the viewer's experience and ensures your message is communicated effectively. Step 1 is to import your video and audio files into CapCut. Simply click Import and select the files you need for your project. Next, place your video on the timeline, followed by your audio track. This organization will allow for smoother editing. Now, let's use the Auto Sync feature in CapCut. Simply select both tracks and click on Auto Sync. This feature saves you time and ensures precision. After syncing, adjust your audio settings for optimal playback. Make sure the volume levels are balanced between the music and dialogue. Review your sync clips for accuracy. Watch the video to ensure your audio and visuals are perfectly aligned. Finally, it's time to export your synchronized video. Choose your preferred format and click Export. Your project is now ready to share. If you encounter any syncing issues, check for mismatched frame rates or ensure your audio files are properly aligned. In conclusion, syncing audio and video in CapCut is a straightforward process when you follow these steps. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!